Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dhanush. You guys are watching Do Reactions. So today I'm gonna do a little bit different task, guys, in this video. It's not like all about task, but it's all about a content, a good content. This video is having a good content, I can say, because today I'm not gonna give any review or reaction on any other teaser or trailer. Today I will give you top 10 names or top 10 list of good movies of 2020 in India. So in this list I have taken 5 languages as consideration, that is Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu and Malayalam. So consideration is all about, like, I have taken my friend's choice and my choice. I have not seen any reviews, guys. Based on reviews, I ratings, I did not sorted the movies like from top to bottom. I did not do that. See, in this all 10 top 10 movies are, see, I have listed top 10 movies. All top 10 movies are best, the must watch movies. So I can say that see, on my consideration I have listed top 10 movies. So in your consideration, your best movie will be in this list or will not be. It's based on your choice, right? So on my choice I have listed the order. So it was big task, so I told in the beginning of video, a little bit different task it was. From past 1 or 2 weeks I was a little bit confused, so but finally I am here with the video. So let's get started, guys. So I will start from 10th position. Okay, so don't take into very serious, guys. All the movies are equal, I can say, because all top 10 movies are best, because I know the effort of making a movie. So I will we can start. Okay, right? Yeah, in the 10th list I have added a movie, guys. The movie name is Ayappanam Koshum. Yes, a Malayalam movie, guys. A wonderful mass entertainer, I can say. A good content movie, guys. Even this is not like I cannot tell only mass, a family entertainer, I can say. In this movie is directed by Sachi sir. In this movie you can see Prithviraj sir and Biju Menon sir in the leading role. Two characters in the movie, main characters, will clash together. Okay, that is the main content of the movie. I will not tell what is the reason, everything. You can watch the movie. A fantastic movie, guys. The main thing I liked in this movie is that the village theme, the song, everything was fabulous, I can say. Even Prithviraj Sukumaran sirs and Biju Menon sirs look and acting was fabulous. So I have placed this movie in the top 10. I mean in the 10th position. Okay, in the 9th position I have listed a Hindi movie, guys. This movie is a remake, even though I have added this movie because this movie name is Dil Bechara. Okay, it's a wonderful movie. Because I told, I didn't give any reason, because see, I'll tell Dil Bechara is a remake movie, even though I have added, because it stole my heart, guys. Really, the emotions was wonderful in the movie. I really like it. See, this movie is directed by Mukesh sir, and in this movie, as you know, that Sushant Singh sir acted in this movie as a leading role. Wonderful acting, guys. What to tell? No words to tell about him. Really, this movie stole my heart, stole my feelings, stole my emotions, everything. Emotions was like fabulous in this movie. Please support youngsters, guys. So this was the 9th movie that I have added. And 8th movie is a little bit interesting, guys. A Tamil movie, little bit interesting movie. Little bit love and science, love plus science, I don't know what is equals to, but this movie was like fabulous. Yes, in the 8th position I have added Kannum Kannum Kolleduttal. Yes, it's a Tamil movie, guys. In this movie you can see Dulquer Salmaan sir and Rakshan sir in the leading role. Directed by Desang Peraswamy. If I do any pronunciation mistake, I'm very sorry, guys. A fabulous movie, guys. What an idea. Science plus love, or love plus science. Fabulous. It was like fabulous, guys. Even we can see a little bit emotions at the last, and even in the middle also a little bit breakup. Love means breakup. Yeah, fabulous. It will be right. Breakup will be, if there is a love, there will be a breakup. Yeah, this was the movie, guys. Kannum Kannum Kolleduttal is a fantastic movie where two boys will be like little bit scientific persons both also, especially Dulquer Salman sir's acting. What to tell about him? A fabulous actor. Even Rakshan sir, fantastic guys. His acting was very good. Joke, his attitude, everything was very good. In this movie, you can see a little bit different climax, guys. Little bit cheat you can see, and with and even at last compromised. Both the team will be get compromised. A very good movie, guys. Kannum Kannum Kodidal. A different thinking from the director, that is Desing Periaswamy. Okay, nice direction. So this was eighth movie. Okay, in the seventh movie, even this is little more different, guys. This movie is a Malayalam movie. Malayalam movies are always good in their content. So yeah, this movie name is See You Soon. Yes, See You Soon. Okay. So the director is Mahesh sir, and Fahad Fasil sir and Roshan Matthew sir is the main actor in this movie. Okay, this movie, guys, this movie is completely, this screenplay of this movie is completely based on text messages and like not WhatsApp video call, Google Duo calls. Yeah, it's completely based on video calls. It has a video call, completely video calls, guys. In this movie, you cannot see like 95% you cannot see face-to-face dialogues. Everything is this movie is completely based on video calls and chatting, and great suspense and great content from the movie team. Such kind of movie I didn't see in my life, really. Please watch this movie, guys. A fabulous attempt from Mahesh Narayan sir, that is the director of this movie. Please watch this movie. I'll tell, please watch this movie. This is like fabulous. See You Soon is like fabulous. And a good content also, guys. Content is main thing in a movie. This movie has the best content, I can say. Okay, in sixth position, is a family entertainer. Yeah, sixth position I have added a Telugu movie. The movie name is Allah Vaikunthapuramalu. Yes, you guys know that. Allu Arjun sir is a hero of this movie, and Trivikram sir is the director of this movie. What to tell, guys? When in a movie, if there is Allu Arjun star is there, means then there will be style, right? Fabulous making, fabulous movie, fabulous acting from Allu Arjun sir. Yeah, as I said, style. His style is always mass good. His attitude, his ruggedness, his acting, his dialogue, everything was fabulous. A family entertainer, guys, between two families. Both sons will get exchanged. Yeah, it's little bit content like, yeah, greediness is there in this movie a little bit. Great movie from the director, that is Trivikram sir. So I have added this movie in the sixth position. Okay, so coming to the fifth position, guys. This movie is a love story movie, guys. Okay, complete all about love, and what to tell, suspense means we cannot think that this suspense will come in this this time. It's like unexpected, guys. All is unexpected in this movie. You can't think it like, oh, when that incident happen, we'll think that suddenly it will happen, it will go. It's like that in this movie. But this movie is right, fabulous, guys. Yeah, the movie name is, sorry, I forgot to tell about the movie name. This movie is from Kannada industry. The movie name is Diya. Yes, a fabulous movie. All are fabulous only in this top 10 movies, but this is like this kind of love movie I didn't see. Diya, the director of this movie is K.S. Ashok sir, and in this movie you can see Prithvi sir and Dikshit Shetty sir and Kushi ma'am in a leading role. Yeah, these three characters are main in this movie actually. Two love will be happening, like after one love get failed because of some reasons, and one more like one more love will happen. But this movie is like unexpected. This movie has unexpected situations, guys. Really, at last I heard that many guys after watching this movie, they got tears in their eyes. Even I didn't get tears, but I was very well emotion. I got emotion, guys, after watching this movie. This movie is like superb. I can't give any rating for this movie. This movie's rating is infinity, I can say. Best direction, best cinematography is main thing in this movie, guys. This movie proved that without any music and without any songs, a movie can go to the top. A director can take a movie to the high level. This movie really proved that. Yes, this movie don't have any songs, but there was a promotion song, I guess, Soul of Dia, the song name is. That song is always, it's a very good song. I think the song is sang by Sanjit Hegde sir. Yeah, this song, yeah, the song was fabulous, but I didn't see that song in the movie. I think it's a promotional song. See this movie, please watch this movie, okay? Every movie you have to watch. So this was the fifth position. In the fourth position, even in the fourth position, I have added a Kannada movie. This movie has the best content, guys. A good content is there in this movie. The movie name is Love Mocktail. The director is Darling Krishna sir, and hero is also Darling Krishna sir itself, and Milana Nagaraj ma'am and Anuradha Iyengar ma'am is also acted in this movie as a heroine. This movie is entertainer, guys. Love, emotion, entertainer, family entertainer also, I can tell, guys. Not only all about love. See, if a family want to watch a good movie, there should be a good content, right? Please show this movie. You can show other movies also in this list. There are many other family entertainer in this list. You can watch, you can show, always you can show, no problem. See, Love Mocktail is like have his own fan base, guys, I can tell. Yes, till now in not only in Bangalore or Karnataka or in other state, in whole India, I can say Love Mocktail has his own fan base for his dialogues, for his songs, for his good content. When I saw many like dub smashes related to this movie, fabulous, guys. Like it was like fabulous movie. Try like a journey, guys. In this movie you can see a love journey, a fabulous movie, guys, from the director, that is Darling Krishna sir. Even sir is like the same director plus hero. Great, right? Sir itself a director, a hero of this movie. And even Love Mocktail 2 is coming. Please be waiting for that video also. Even when the teaser or trailer comes, I will be reacting for that. Love Mocktail, waiting for Love Mocktail 2, guys. Okay, that was the fourth position. Coming to the top third position, this movie is very suspense, guys. Suspense after suspense after suspense. This movie, okay. This is a Malayalam movie. The movie name is Anjam Padira. Yeah. As the title says that, yeah, this movie is very confusing from the beginning to end. At last, they will give final conclusion for this movie. Who is the person revealing at last? Is like we need patience, guys, for this movie. We really need a patience, lot more patience, I can say, because we will not get the villain will not be revealed, guys, at the end. Also at the end they will reveal it, but after revealing also we will get that no, he is not a villain, he is a hero, for he is just taking a revenge. We will get to know. That was fabulous from the director Midun Manuel Thomas sir is the director of this movie. Kunja Goban sir is the leading role, is a hero of this movie. Fabulous movie, guys, really. In this movie you can see everything, suspense, like hacking, everything you can see, even a little bit science things, so you can see investigations, murder, crime, everything you can see in this movie. It's fabulous. I really liked it. Anjam Padira. So I have added this in the third position. Okay, so in the second position, guys, Hindi movie, guys. It's a Hindi movie. I think you guys got to know, right? Yes, the movie name is Tanaji. Okay, Tanaji is like a fabulous movie, guys. Really, a true story movie. See, this movie is directed by Om Raut sir, and Ajay Devgan sir, Saif Ali Khan sir is the leading role of this movie. Main hero, I can tell that Ajay Devgan sir is the main hero of this movie, and Saif Ali Khan is the villain of this movie. Okay, this movie is like famous for its graphics, songs, and acting of Ajay Devgan sir. Fabulous acting, guys. Really, I liked it. The main it's based on true story, guys. In this movie, like why I have added in the second position, because in the second position it's very important that I have to tell in an explanation way, right? I have to tell in a detailed way. See, this movie, I said, bro, graphics, guys, screenplay, cinematography is excellent in this movie. Even this movie is not too long, I can tell. It's like 2 hours something, 2 hours 45 or 35 normal average time, but in middle or in starting or at the end you will not get any bore, I can tell. Very beautifully made, guys. The making was like huge, and the making was fabulous. Effort is there in this movie because such kind of a good graphics if you see in this movie, it was like high graphics is very high in this movie. I really like it because this movie, see, there is a incident in this movie like a rock full of rocks, in the inside the rocks and all, the soldiers will be hiding. That was great. Even the entry of Ajay Devgan sir was high, top, superb movie, guys. Please, I will dedicate this, I can dedicate this movie to watch for all the children's, this movie should watch by all the children's. I can dedicate this movie to all the children's and even family members to watch this movie, because this movie should watch by every youths and every children's who is like going who is doing their education now. Please watch it. It's a original story. Yeah, coming to the first position, guys, in the top 10 list. Now I have completed 9 best movies also. Now it's time for revealing the first best movie of 2020. Yes, this movie name is Suraipotul, guys. Yes, a best, superb and motivational and inspirational movie, should watch by all the people, guys. Please watch it. It's very good and inspirational movie. After watching the trailer or teaser of this movie, guys, I thought that this movie will be good, but after watching the movie, I can tell that this movie is fantastic and superb and awesome and good. A fabulous movie, guys, from the movie team. The director is Sudha ma'am, and Surya sir, you can see as a leading role in this movie, and Aparna ma'am as a heroine of this movie. Okay, see, guys, the main thing is the director, guys. Sudha ma'am has done a very fantastic job, I can say. I saw even I saw the making of this video. See, it's director is like a main thing for a movie, guys. Sudha ma'am just nailed it, really, guys. A fabulous direction, I can say. Surya sir's acting, a main thing, the airport scene, guys, it was a fabulous scene of the movie, guys. I was like, oh my god, a really inspirational story, guys. A really inspirational story, I can tell. It was like super. Please watch this movie, guys. It's available in Amazon Prime. Please watch this movie. So I added in the first position. Songs, cinematography, and even I can say framework. Oh, what a framework, guys. What a screenplay. Direct screenplay from first to last. Direct. There is no suspense. There is nothing. At last, little bit suspense they have added, right? Because without suspense, you will not get any thrill, right, in the movie. So they have added, but fabulous, guys. Acting wise, Aparna ma'am's acting. Oh my god, what an acting, guys. Really, I was like thrilled. Surya's especially that scene, guys, and one more, the last climax scene. Even I can tell his two close friends were there. Fabulous, guys, fabulous. See, here you can see the hard work of a person to reach his goal. That was fabulous. There were many other villains also like in front of him, but after crossing him, they have reached that goal, right? It's not a small goal, it's a big goal. To reach that a goal, we have to do hard work. That is the message the movie tells. This movie has the best message, I can say. I can tell that this movie will get national award. This has to get, yes, this has to get, I can tell. Fabulous, guys, fabulous. Really, I was no words to tell, guys, about this movie. Fabulous. Surya sir, fabulous acting. This is the first position, guys, that I have given to this movie. Suraipotul, fabulous. So coming to the end of the video, guys, that's it. This is all the 10 best movies I have told to you guys. So even in this 10 position, I can tell that there will be like for you guys, according to your choice, even the second position can go for fourth, or fourth can come to third, or even 10th can come for sixth. It's according to you. Okay, it's not like only my choice is correct. According to me, what is best, and according to my friend's suggestion, I have added in the list. So please, I think you guys like this video. Please, if you like this video, means please like the video and subscribe my channel, guys, and press the bell icon. Please share my video, guys. I want your support. You guys have supported me till this time. You have to support me. Please continue to support, guys. So that's all. This is a little bit different video from my side. This kind of video I didn't do any time in my channel. This is like new, so it's the end, right? December end, so I have to do this video for you guys. So please watch all the top 10 movies that I have listed. Please watch, guys. Yeah, that's it from my side. So all like I have done a great little bit more effort for making this video, because this year there were a little bit less movies released, but all this is in this top 10 movies, 95%, not 95% movies are released in OTT platform itself, right? You can go and watch the movie also, please, in the OTT platforms. So that's all from my side, guys. So I think you guys like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, guys, and press the bell icon. If you're new to my channel, means also please subscribe my channel, guys, and press the bell icon. Please be waiting for my next video. Till that, take care. Bye bye.